Good morning, children. See, now we are starting our 6th class syllabus and about what is our first chapter? Yes, sources of food. So, from starting we have discussed about what is food and what does a food contain and what are different types of nutrients and what is the function of the food. Is it? And from where we are getting the sources of food, both plant sources and both animal sources, is it? Plant sources are mainly what? Cereals and vegetables, and these all are what? Plant sources. And animal sources are mainly milk products, honey and meat, egg. So these all are what? Animal sources. So today we are going to discuss about the next. What is it? See, who is making the food? Yes, the green plant. Green plant. That means they are the autotrophs. They are preparing food. Can you prepare any food? No, you can't prepare any food because we should have the power to get the sunlight. Can you take the sunlight for the preparation of food? No, it's not possible. So who is making the food? Yes, green plants only can prepare food. So they are called one more term. Do you know what is the other term of green plants? They are preparing self or they are doing themselves. So that's why they are called other term for self is auto. Auto means self. Trophs means getting nutrients. Okay. So autotrophs, they are preparing food themselves. That's why green plants we can call as what? Autotrophs. And we are what? Depending on others. Is it? We are depending or not? Yes. So we are depending on others for food. So we can call what? The animals are called. Can animals call autotrophs? No. So there will be another term. What is that term? Hetero. What is that term? Heterotroph. Hetero means depend on others. So animals are comes under the category called what? Heterotrophs. And one more term is there. See, somebody is getting from other. For example, if you went to a shop and you are buying something, is it? The shopkeeper is giving you. So you may be called as what? Have you heard about consumer court and all? Consumer court, and we are the consumers, and those who are buying the things and everything can call us what? Consumer. So if we have any complaint or anything about any product or anything, you can complain in what? Consumer court. So we are the consumer. Consumer means we are consuming others from others, or we are getting from others. So all the animals we can call as one more term. What is that? Consumers. So all animals are called as heterotrophs or consumers. So today we are going to discuss about how the animals are taking food. Is it? Now we have discussed how plants are preparing food. Now next thing is how animals are preparing food. Are you an animal? Yes, definitely we all are animals. In the world there are only two categories. That's what living world is divided into only two major categories, that is plants and animals. So the animals can move and animals can move from one place to another, and plants can move only from themselves. That's the main difference. And animals can make sounds and all. The plants cannot make sound. So that only the difference. Other things are all animals want to respire, plants also want to respire. So all the living world entirely divided into two categories, plants and animals. And plants can prepare their own food, but animals cannot prepare their own food. So we all are what? Heterotrophs or consumers. So just you see, this all the animals have the eating habit. You just see, if it is a cow, how from where the cow is getting food? What type of food a cow eat? Yes, cow eat the plants. And what about a tiger or a lion? Is it? It will eat what? Meat or flesh of others. See, the same way the character also will be like that. See, lion will be what? Very ferocious because it want to attack others and will be very cruel. Is it? But cow is very silent, and if we do any harm, then only it will do us back. Otherwise, it will be very quiet. So, herbivores. What is the meaning of herb? Herb means plants. Okay. So, see here, herbivores. Herb. The meaning of herb is what? Plants. And carni means eating others, called carni. So herbivores are what? Plant eating animal, and carnivores are feeding on the flesh of other animals. And one more term is what? Omnivores. Omnivores are eating both plants and animals. See, if I gave one animal and you want to find out whether the animal is a carnivorous animal or a herbivorous animal, you don't know about that. How can you find out whether an animal is a carnivore or an omnivore or an herbivore? How do you find out? I'll give some tips. See here. First you want to see what? The mouth parts. You just ask to open the mouth. Have you ever seen the mouth of a cow? How is the mouth of a cow? How many teeth are there in the cow's mouth? Have you ever seen? Is there any teeth on the upper part? No. In the cow, the mouth of a cow, there is no teeth on the upper part, only the down you can see the incisors, and that gum nut will be so hard. It want to what? Just bite the leaves, for the down part will be teeth will be the upper part just getting the plant. That only the purpose of what? The front teeth. What is the name of the front teeth? The front teeth are called incisors. Incisors means the front teeth. Okay, and the other teeth are there. Do you know the names of other teeth? Okay, see. So in herbivores, the incisors will be there. In cow and all, what? Upper part is not there, only the lower part teeth are there. Let us see. See here the herbivore. How is that teeth of herbivore? See. This is what? Incisors. So incisors are only on the lower part. Can you see any teeth on the upper part? No, no teeth on the upper part. And next is see, is there any canines? Canines means very sharp teeth is called what? Canine. Can you see any sharp teeth there? No, there is no canine. Zero canine. See, 3 incisors down and upper part is 0. No. And see, canines up and down, no canine. That's why written 0. 0 canines. And premolars. Premolars are nothing but grinding teeth. It will be flat. The flat teeth are present how many? 3 up and 3 down. And here see, molars also up and down, you can see the molars. So this is the structure of a what? Herbivore's mouth. Why do the herbivores don't have canine? Why the herbivorous animals don't have canine teeth? Do you have canine teeth? You check it. Is there any canine teeth? Check it, okay? You have or not, you check it. I will show how the canines. And just see. And you didn't say why the herbivores don't have canines? Because they don't want to eat what? Flesh of other animals. The main purpose of the canine teeth is to tear the flesh. Like a what? Knife. It is like a knife. It is used to tear the flesh. But these herbivores no need to what? Tear the flesh. So they don't have what? Canines. See how is that teeth of a carnivore. See. The carnivorous animals have, see, up and down teeth is there. Canines are there just for biting and taking the flesh, okay? And see, 2 canines. See, the red color is showing that what? Canines, up and down. Total 4 will be there. This is only one side I am showing, okay? So, canines are there up and down. And premolars 4 are there, and molars also down 3 and up only 2. So, this is the teeth structure of or dental formula of a carnivorous animals. So, why do the carnivores have well developed canines? Canines to tear the flesh. So, then you can find out whether the animal is a carnivorous animal or a herbivorous animal. See, then how will be the strength? Who is more strong, a tiger or a deer? Definitely who is strong? Tiger. Because tiger want to attack on others. So most of the carnivorous animals are very strong. And but deers have another category. It can run very fast and it can hide very fast and it will not make much sound. Will be very silent to escape from the enemies. Okay. So the tiger, lion, all these are very cruel. We can say what? Ferocious animal. Very cruel animal because they want to attack for the food. Next is see, and some birds. What about the birds? All the birds are herbivores, carnivores or omnivores? Yes, the birds also divided into 3 categories. Some birds are omnivorous, some birds are carnivores and some birds are herbivores. Like say pigeon. Pigeon eat only what? The seeds and all. So pigeon comes under what? A herbivorous bird. But see eagle, vulture, they want to tear the flesh. They like to eat flesh. So these birds come under which category? Carnivorous birds. And see crow. How is crow? Crow has any differentiate? I will eat this one, I will not eat this, like that. We have no in class some children. Some children will eat, I want only this. Some children, no, I don't want this. Is it? The same way, the crow don't have any partiality. Crow eat everything. So crow comes under which category? Omnivorous. Okay, so the bird, there are so many categories. And what are the characteristics of a carnivorous bird? If a bird is carnivorous, what are they have? First one is talon. What is talon? I will show you talon. See here. This is talon. Talon is nothing but the claw. See the claw. The claw is very what? It is pointed, sharp. Such claws are called what? Talons. Which type of birds it has? Carnivorous animals, to come and just snatch the prey and to catch the or hold the prey tightly. They should need like this legs. Okay, that is called what? Talon. And next is see how will be the beak. See, animals are having what? Canines to tear the flesh. The same way the birds are having what? Pointed beak, hook like beak. It is turned like a hook and it is very pointed to tear the flesh. So these are the characteristics of carnivorous birds. And see, that's all about. See here some terms. What is meant by chew? Who will chew that nicely? Like that chewing. Who will chew the food? Yeah, mostly herbivores and all. See, herbivores will eat plants and these plants contain one this what? Carbohydrate, and it is called cellulose. What is the name of the carbohydrate? Cellulose. Cellulose. This cellulose is very hard to digest. This cellulose is very hard to digest. So, because of that reason only, herbivorous animals' stomach contain a lot of microbes, bacteria, protozoans. So, these bacteria and protozoans help you to digest this cellulose present in the plants. So, they can eat the plant directly. Can you eat directly the leaves of the plants? No, it will not digest because those microbes or things you don't have. But the herbivorous animals can digest the cellulose just because of the presence of some microbes. And not only that, most of the herbivores are ruminants. Herbivores are ruminants. What is the ruminants? Have you seen? See, the cow and this goat and after eating, it will eat very fast. Wherever grass, see, just eat it. Okay, and after eating, it will go and take rest. And while taking rest, they just again take back the food whatever is stored in the stomach. So they have so many parts in the stomach. Okay, and from that stomach, it will take again back that food and again start to do what? Chew the food, and then again it will be. Such animals are called what? Ruminants. It has a stomach called a ruminant stomach to store the food, and after storing, whenever needed, it will just take back. So the half digested food is called a cud. Cud is nothing but semi-digested or just swallowed that food. That is called a cud. So this cud only take again back to the mouth and chew nicely. What type of animals? Herbivorous animal, but not all herbivorous. By one example is cow can do the cow will do the cud. It will take that and it is a ruminant animal. But horse food. Okay. So herbivores, not all animals are not ruminants, but few or most of the animals are ruminants, and ruminant animals can eat more plants than the other animals. Okay. So that only about today's class. So I hope you understood. Have any doubt, you can call and study. Thank you.